Hi! Hello world! Tom Cruise is being recognized with the Navy's top civilian honor. The actor has given the prestigious Distinguished Public Service Award from U.S. Secretary of the Navy Carlos Del Toro in a ceremony in London. He dedicated support to our sailor, marines, and civilian through his effort in the film industry increased public awareness and appreciation for our highly trained personnel and the sacrifices they make while in uniform, Carlos shared while presenting Tom the medal. I appreciate everyone's dedication. It's a true honor to represent them, Tom said of his role in films such as Top Gun, A Few Good Men, Born on the 4th of July, and the Mission Impossible movies. I'm very proud, he added. Thank you, Entertainment Tonight. Bright day ahead to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.